Welcome to the final reveal of this 1970s kitchen makeover on a budget. Before I show you the final reveal, I want to walk you through what we've done to update the space. Not only did we paint the backsplash and change out the flooring, but we also did some minor updates that I think really transformed the space, such as change out the faucet, updated the hardware, and added things like new lighting, cabinet organization, and a new runner. And with all of this, we were able to transform our 1970s kitchen into this. The space looks 100 times better than what it did before, and I'm so happy with the outcome. If there's anything I've learned from this process, it's that renovating your kitchen does not need to break the bank. And you will not believe how much I spent to renovate this kitchen. So before revealing it, I want to hear your guesses. Let me know in the comments how much you think this kitchen renovation was, and I will make another video on the breakdown of this reno. I hope this renovation inspired you to renovate your space on a budget, and if it did, please let me know in the comments below and tag me in the picture. And if you're interested in any of the products I use, check the link in my bio.